Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today, really just a very quick announcement, because in 3 days from today, on Saturday, I will host a free live online workshop that you all can attend. Because I really keep on getting those questions about state management in Jetpack Compose, like MVI versus MVVM versus MVC versus MVP, state flow, live data, a mutable state of shared flow channels, which ones should you use? Where to load initial data. I don't know, how should you structure your composables to have a scalable state management approach, a unidirectional data flow, all those kind of concepts that you hear about online, but that most people are completely confused about. And when you then actually research about these questions online, trying to find answers, then most people just tell you, oh, it depends. Well, thank you, but that information does not help you in any way that it depends. You're just as smart as you were before. And that's really why I decided to clarify these questions once and for all and host a completely free live online workshop on December 14th, so the next Saturday in 3 days from when this video comes online at 3 p.m. UTC time. And in this workshop, I will share the exact Jetpack Compose state management blueprint that I really use in any of my projects. So it's really a manual which you can always follow from A to Z in any of your projects, and you will be definitely on the safe side in regards to state management. I can also already say that this live workshop will be used to celebrate the launch of my brand new Jetpack Compose Masterclass course. But this will really all come at the end of the workshop. Before that, I will really share pure value about state management. I won't hold anything back. I will really share everything about state management in Jetpack Compose that I have learned since day one in Jetpack Compose, where I've refined the approach, where I've iterated over an approach to really now find an approach that really works for me in pretty much any type of project. And for that, you will get a clear blueprint in this workshop. So it'll be roughly 2 hours of very clear explanations, practical examples, and at the end also a Q&A session. And to also encourage this live interaction, that you can ask me questions during the workshop, that I can talk to you, that we can have a little chat. Because of that, I won't record this workshop. So there won't be a recording, it will only be live. So if this is something you're interested in, then better make sure to attend. Since the workshop is already in 3 days, the registration for this will close very soon, but when this video comes online, you can still save your spot. To do that, just click the link down below, and then I'll see you in the workshop.